everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, another unboxing video. I'm gonna do an unboxing for my monthly subscription beauty box, Boxycharm. So you know me guys, every time I do my unboxing for my monthly subscription beauty box, I'm so excited. So on today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing, and at the same time we're gonna try it on to our face. We're gonna paint our face today. Okay, let's proceed to the unboxing. Again, first they always put the paperwork that they put all the product and then the price as well. And yeah, on the front they have Boxycharm and they have 5 words: spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, some slumber. Also in the back they put the product and the price as well, which is I like that. Okay, the first one is this Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. I love this brand. It's very cute packaging too. Beautiful packaging. And it looks like glass. Yeah, it is glass. The packaging is glass. And also, I like the star logo on the lid. And this is $54. Ooh, expensive. I cannot wait to add it to my skincare routine. I'm really excited about this one. I love this beauty brand. Okay, next is this Summer Glow Plus Go set. This is the mini summer essential set, and they have 5 shades. We got mini highlighter stick. Oh, I'm so excited. Mini blush stick, mini shadow crayon, and mini brow pencil. So I'm really excited about this one. And this one is this one is $42. I'm really excited about this one. Third is the same brand, Tristique, a matte for everyday mood. So this is mini matte lip crayon set. Oh, so excited. And we got 6 mini matte lip crayon set. So I'm really excited about these. They're so cute. So we're gonna try it on for today's video. And okay, this is fourth already. Fourth is the Morphe I Got This brush set. Oh, another eyeshadow brush. Really excited. I like the packaging, black, and they put the name on the each of the brushes. Morphe, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's move on to the Elizabeth Moth Thank Me Later eye primer. I love this brand. Again, I think I do have Elizabeth Moth blush. I love their blush. They're really good. They're really nice blush. So I love this brand. I know this brand. Alright, that's it for quick unboxing. Now we're gonna try on some of these beauty brand that we got for this month. I'm gonna skip the moisturizer. I'm not gonna do that because I already put foundation on. Okay, first I'm gonna do the eyeshadow primer. I'm really excited about this one. Oh, this is like kind of like a pink color. See guys? And then just gonna use my hands to prep it. Oh, I like this eyeshadow. Nice. I want to do the blush first. Mini blush stick. I don't know what shade is it. Moroccan Rose. This is what's look like the mini eyeshadow stick. It's super cute stick, and yeah, you can, that's all the product. It's cute. I'm excited. So yeah, this is the blush, and let's try it onto our cheeks. Oh, that's cute. You can I'm excited about this one. Okay, let's put more. Even I don't blend it yet, it's like feels nice. I like it. I'm just gonna use my hands to blend it. It's nice. It's nice blush. Okay, for the eyeshadow, we are gonna use this Titan Summer. Oh, this is cute color. It's what's look like the eyeshadow. Super cute mini stick eyeshadow. Really cute. So I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelid. Oh, I love this color. Beautiful. Nice. It's easy. Oh, that's nice. Maybe I can put more here on the bottom too. That is so nice. I love it. Really nice eyeshadow, and it's easy to blend it. Love the mini eyeshadow stick. It's so nice. And let's move on to highlighter. It's cute. Okay, let's play with the highlighter. This is cute. Just gonna, oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, I love this highlighter. I'm just gonna blend it with, okay, and then I want to play. I'm gonna put a little bit highlighter on my here. I think it's nice. Oh yeah, it's nice. And maybe here too. It's super nice. I love it. Okay, for the lips, I picked this shade Tuscan Wine. I don't know how to apply this kind of like a applicator. So good luck. So I'm gonna just put it. Oh, that's easy to apply. Oh my god, the color. Smells good. Alright everyone, that's it for today's unboxing and try on. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to play all of this beauty brand and skincare that I got for this month. I'm really excited. Anyways, hope you guys enjoying watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching everyone. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.